Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. This is our daily agenda for Tuesday, August 24th. For today, we got into some big stuff. Yesterday, we were doing article writing. Today, we are going into TPAC. Your do now for today was the 30-day writing challenge, day 2. It was, we're going to look at it in just a moment. It was, what are 5 positive, I know I can statements. And we shared those out. We did that together in class afterwards. Then we went into our TPAC notes, and we learned about TPAC. I'm going to briefly go over the presentation again. Building a TPAC paragraph is like building a cheeseburger, ladies and gentlemen. We have our essential ingredients, our 5 essential ingredients. So our first essential ingredient to building a good paragraph or a good burger is having a good topic sentence. So the T in TPAC stands for topic sentence. In your notes, you should have written T equals topic sentence. This is, again, the very first sentence in your paragraph. It helps you grab your reader's attention, and it will be the foundation of the paper. I talked a little bit yesterday about what will you prove. Remember, that's a very important part. What are you going to prove to me, to your audience in this paragraph? Okay? And we talked about, with the article of social media, we're going to look at some of the detriments or some of the effects of social media on teens. Then the good stuff, the juicy stuff, after our topic sentence, you should have evidence. I provided you guys an article, the negative and positive effects that have been studied in teenagers based on social media. You're going to pull evidence, direct quotes from the article. So remember, I had you guys annotate in green your evidence. You're going to start pulling that evidence in order to start writing those paragraphs. Then, right after you write that evidence, that sentence that is your evidence, you're going to go ahead and write a sentence where you paraphrase that evidence. You're going to write it in your own words. Yesterday, I used the example of, imagine you are teaching this to a younger sibling. Most of you are older siblings or care for nieces and nephews. Imagine you are explaining these quotes that you pulled to someone younger than you, or someone who doesn't understand, okay? Then afterwards, this is the analysis portion. The analysis portion, this is the meat of your TPAC paragraphs, ladies and gentlemen, okay? You're going to explain why this evidence is important. So you've restated it, you rewrote it in your words. Now you're explaining why. Why is this piece of evidence important? What can we infer? What can we guess? Okay? And we will talk about inference today, just a little bit, tomorrow, I believe. Just so that you guys can get a better feeling of analysis, okay? And then the conclusion. Again, just like top one, we're going in a circle. Your conclusion should explain how your evidence connects back to the topic sentence, okay? Now, your topic sentence was, what will you prove? Your conclusion should be, what did you prove? Now that you've come full circle, okay? So now you have to show that connection. Make sure we keep it saucy. We talked yesterday about says or to be verbs. Keep it simple, ladies and gentlemen. Never, nope, no, nada. I don't want to see any of this in your papers, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, we talked about it. Repetition is not tasty. We do not want broccoli in our burgers. All right, and then for our exit ticket, I had you guys on sticky notes. Tell me what TPAC stood for. All right, guys, as always, if you have any questions, need more information, please feel free to reach out to me. Reach out to me before school, after school, and I'll help you guys out. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class.